Good morning and welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Jakub Vaniš and today we're gonna be looking at some news from SpaceX, and yeah, there are some very interesting things that are basically looking ahead into the almost far future. So let's take a look at this together. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So first of all, what we have in here is SpaceX's first true human landing system prototype from this account, Space Engineer on Twitter or x.com. Basically they are looking at how the potential setup for Starship can look like for humans in the future. So today the shroud is lifted. This is the interior of the prototype, featuring things such as crew bunks, life support, control panels, etc. So we can take a look at this. Yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. There is some space, control panels. Probably these are some of the bunks. There is some kind of living quarters. Now these are the bunks. I don't know what this is. Maybe some, some equipment, scientific equipment. First off, I shall proceed with the fact that none of this is final. This is a prototype to demonstrate the basic functionality of the new HLS system, the equivalent of a subscale mockup. Okay, so this is basically a mockup. And here we actually see, how big of a part of a Starship they would occupy. I think that should be enough, for the first crew, environments. The prototype consists of 2 decks, 1 primary deck, and the one below is housing life support ECLSS. The lower deck does not have a flat floor and instead is the surface of the dome itself, with life support equipment lining the walls on the rack. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Yes, so this is the upper floor. And then the lower floor, has these kind of life support environment. Okay, well, this should be significantly bigger than something like Crew Dragon. So this is quite interesting, right? They're looking at, okay, this potential view. I'm not sure there is anything more interesting. So from this news, this is basically something telling us that they are getting ahead, and we will likely see in the next year or two, maybe crewed, Starship, which would be amazing. And then this other news is really breaking from Mario Nafal, from again x.com. SpaceX's Marslink, high-speed internet from Mars to Earth. In a move that feels straight out of sci-fi, SpaceX has proposed Marslink, an adoption of its Starlink satellite network to deliver internet connectivity to Mars. Presented to NASA, Marslink aims to establish a high-speed data relay system capable of transmitting 4 megabits per second or more, well, that's not that much, across 1.5 astronomical units, the distance between Earth and Mars. The concept envisions multiple satellites in Mars orbit, leveraging Starlink's advanced laser communication tech to maintain a constant near-instantaneous data flow between planets. This network could serve Mars missions, allowing real-time images and data streams from Mars to Earth, as well as supporting future ground operations and Mars orbit assets. So, okay, this is looking mighty interesting. They are really looking into it. What can they do? SpaceX's and mainly Elon Musk's mission is truly to actually go into it and to move us closer to the stars, to make life multiplanetary and move us to Mars and deliver a base, not only a base but also a city of a large proportions with at least 1 million inhabitants on Mars. Elon Musk famously wants to die on Mars, not on impact, obviously. But so both of these news are actually getting us closer to this, and I'm very excited about it. So let me know what you think about this in the comments. Otherwise, this has been Jakub Vaniš, and I wish you an amazing day. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Bye bye.